This video is a very quick overview of the desktop in Endnote for Mac. After you've downloaded Endnote and created a new library, Endnote will look like this. There are three main sections. On the right is My Library. This will contain your references, your folders, and your trash. In the middle is where your citations will appear when you add them. To the right is where your PDFs will go, and where the metadata will go that will form the citations you'll put into your papers. This is what your Endnote library will look like in a few weeks after you've downloaded citations, attached PDFs, and started to create groups. When using Endnote, most of the time you want to be in the My Library mode, which means that this icon will be pressed. This will let you get to your citations, modify your citations, and put your citations into your papers. If you press the globe icon to the right, you will enter the online search view. Now on the left, instead of references and groups, are online databases which you can search. Select the database and the search box will pop up in the middle, which will let you run the search. You can also add more databases by clicking the More. These databases, for the most part, are free, things like PubMed and Lista, which is a library science database, although we do have access to Web of Science. Although you can search these databases, this is not the primary method for getting citations into Endnote. There are videos to show you how to do that. After you've run a search and found citations you want to add to Endnote, you highlight the citations and then click this icon. There is a third icon in this group which combines the library with online search. I suggest you do not use it. If you do, every time you make a search, it will import all the records into your online database. This could be hundreds or thousands of records. Most of the time, you'll be in your local library, so that icon will be activated. If you do want to search a database, you'll click the globe and run the search. To add citations to your local library, you'll use the icon on the far right. I would avoid the integrated library icon. It adds too many citations to your library and can be confusing. If for any reason Endnote does not seem to work, make sure that you have your local library icon depressed. Of the other icons at the top, the most useful ones are Find Full Text, third from the left, and the one next to that, Find Reference Update. There are videos showing you how to find full text and also how to use the Find Reference Update. I think you'll use the first two icons much less frequently. The first one is Sync to Endnote Web, and the second one is Invite others to share your citations on Endnote Web. The last icon, Add New Reference, with luck you'll never have to use that because you'll be downloading references. The icons on the right are used when you're inserting citations into Word. The first one will insert a highlighted citation. The second one will help you change the format of the bibliography, which you can also do in a number of other places. The third one will take you directly to the word processor. The icon on the far right lets you customize the look of this screen, hide or show various panels, including the search panel. There are a number of features in the pull-down menus at the top. To configure Endnote, you'll want to choose Endnote X7 and choose Preferences. There's a video showing you how to configure Endnote so that you'll be able to import citations and PDFs. I encourage you to go through the pull-down menus to see all the commands that are available through Endnote. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, contact one of the Endnote librarians.